you one who is a book writer. We have had a challenge in Zimbabwe where we have the men of the moment, and at one point, one way or the other, we have edited iconic versions of history in such a way that whatever happened, right, which is at least best known to those who are the subjective characters of your book. We have a situation, for instance, when Jonathan Moyo himself was at a point of rewriting the history of Zimbabwe. To such an extent that I don't know if he is still doing that, whether he's in Mogadishu or Juba or wherever it is, right? But my point is, when we have your book, for how long are we going to have it sustainable to such an extent that we won't have another copy which is at least saying a different story? For instance, when we were told that Joyce Mduru downed an airplane, right, during the liberation struggle, but at some point in time it's no longer existing. That information is no longer. So can you assure us that your book is going to exist? Because when one person comes in, right, that person becomes the man of the moment, and then if it happens one way or the other,